let's learn the fourth charanam for this. In this fourth charanam, you will see the mudra. Mudra means which composer has composed a song. Each one has unique mudra. So you will see Tyagaraja in the last charanam. So this is composed by Tyagaraja. Muthuswami Dikshidhar means you will see Guru Guha in the Kritis. Okay. Now let's learn the fourth charanam. Raja Rajanutta Raghava Tyaga Raja Rajanutta Raghava Tyaga charanams, while ending, you sing the Pallavi and also stop with Pahirama Chandra. Let's do the fourth charanam one time and end with Pahirama Chandra.